In this video, we are going to see how we can generate the articles on Copilot. So before we have seen how you can write the blog post, now we will see how you can generate the articles. So basically blog posts are informal and casual, whereas articles are a bit more professional and formal. So here we will see how we can write the articles on Copilot. And for this, although I can use the Microsoft Edge as well, the default Copilot feature, but I want to show you it in other browser as well, how we can use this prompt writing function here. So let's even ask the article ideas from Copilot. So guys, I have written here, give me 5 trending article topic ideas. So let's see what it does. So as we can see here that it generated some random ideas. You can again write it, give me topics 2024. So it has given some topics, but again, it is a general result. So let's write something like co-working space trend in 2024. Write an article, or we can say generate a detailed article, and we can also highlight the topic in inverted commas. I'll write the inverted commas here. So I want to generate it exactly on this topic. And you can also mention that I want to use storytelling style, let's say, and let's generate. So as you can see, it is generating all the details with the heading and introduction. Then we have these headings, these types, and all the other details. And if you want to learn more about it, it is giving you the references as well. And it's also giving you the suggestion that if you want to improve this as well, you have this suggestion here. I love this. Can you write more fictional articles, or tell me more about the challenges faced by the co-working space? Now this one is an awesome idea. You can generate an article on it. So that's it guys. This is how you can write some articles on the free version of Microsoft Copilot. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.